My name is Natalie Kaminski. I am a founder and CEO of JetRockets, where we build custom software, web, and mobile applications. My journey in tech began back in 1998 when, right out of high school, I took a job as a junior programmer. During the following 6 months, I learned two interesting facts about myself. I was not cut out to be a programmer, but I really got excited about the technology and its promise to make lives better and easier. So I decided to spend and dedicate the next 10 years of my life to really understanding the process of software development. And I worked in each and every possible role within that industry. So I spent several years as a QA engineer, as a business analyst, as a webmaster, as a database architect, as a project manager. And throughout that decade, I was so fortunate to be surrounded by many amazing women. Some of them were my colleagues, some of them were my team members, some of them were my managers. One example comes to mind when, at the age of 22, I was assigned as a team lead, and my team comprised of, several men who were probably 20 years senior to me, and I had to give my very first presentation to my team. I remember my manager, who was a woman, come up to me and say, "Listen, you're gonna do great. Just remember 3 things. You gotta be confident, you gotta stand up straight, and you have to speak loudly." And that advice really stuck. As over the course of the next 10 years and, even into today, 20 plus years later, I often battle the imposter syndrome. As time goes on and as I go up and I become more prominent within my industry, I still feel that imposter syndrome often creep up. And I remind myself of that advice. Speak loudly, be confident, and stand up straight. So I want to offer one piece of advice to all of you. As you're going to come across various hurdles along your path, difficulties, things that you wish were different, try to see them as an opportunity, not your enemy, but a friend, an ally, what is going to put you outside of your comfort zone and help you become stronger, better, and more confident along your journey. I believe the technology is headed towards amazing things. As we see the advent of various AI tools, we can pretty much predict that our industry is going to be more democratized towards people who come from non-technical backgrounds. You see more and more startups coming out of places where you would never think before. Women with backgrounds and that it has nothing to do with technology come out with amazing platforms to improve their industry, and they truly succeed on the market. So I think that in order to help these women and to truly invest into women, we really need to make a lot of changes still, right? So we need to think about educational opportunities that are accessible and are easy to obtain and understand. Educational opportunities, working opportunities, but even thinking about your daily habits. I mean, the best way to support a female founder, a female entrepreneur, is perhaps by using their services. So next time you're buying a new product subscription, see if you can get one that was developed by a woman. Next time you need to work with a vendor or a service provider, seek out a female-led company. I think these actions will speak much louder than words and will give us all an opportunity to invest in women and make, our industry more inclusive.